Welcome. In this short body scan meditation, you'll draw your attention to the various sensations of the body, which can help to alleviate feelings of anxiousness or worry. From a comfortable position, either seated or supine, begin by taking a few long, deep breaths, allowing the abdomen to rise on the in-breath and fall on the out-breath. As you move your awareness slowly from the crown of your head to the region of your abdomen, if you find yourself distracted by anxious thought patterns, gently and without judgment, bring your mind back to the sensations of the body. Place your awareness at the crown of your head. What do you feel? Perhaps you feel the slight pressure of your hair or the coolness of the air on your scalp. Allow your mind to explore those sensations for a moment. Then bring your attention down towards your brow, relaxing and unfurrowing the muscles if you notice any tightness in this area. Slowly move your awareness to the area around your eyes, allowing your gaze to soften and relax. Continue moving your attention down towards your cheeks, your jaw, the area around the mouth, tension can be held in these areas, so try to intentionally soften them with each breath. Notice the neck, the way the bones move with any slight movement of your head. Notice the chest as it expands with each breath. Is your breathing shallow or deep? Is your breathing long or short? Now bring your attention to your abdomen, again allowing it to expand on the in-breath and fall on the out-breath. Without attempting to control the breathing, try to hold your attention there for a while. And if the mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensation of the breath in this area of the body. Cultivate a loving curiosity for the sensation of the rise and fall of the abdomen, and stay with that for a few moments. Finally, take a few long, deep breaths and bring your meditation session to a close.